Okay, so this is an hour after 2-level decompression. It was very tight nerves, 2-level, both levels. We stabilized the 1 level and everything went very well. How are you feeling now?
Good.
Good? Any pain in your leg? That pain you used to have in your leg before, the left leg? No pain? Any weakness?
No.
Can I see you walking? How do you feel with your posture?
I think
You're standing up,
I'm standing up.
upright for a change. Yes. Have a walk. Good. That's great. And sideways, see how you are. Keep walking along. That's great. And then turn this way and see how upright you can stand. Great. You'll be going home any minute.